Everyone, this is another tutorial about map creation. Today I was just searching for a outline map of GCC countries. Let us see what output we are getting from Google. Outline map of GCC countries. When I was going through that, actually almost files are coming in a color mode. I am not getting the outline structure. So what we thought that we need to create an outline map of GCC country which can be useful for our academic purpose. So we can take a very good picture from this. I think this one is better. There is one outline but it has no much clarity, so we are going to create very good clarity file by using Inkscape. Let's see that. We are going to trace it. So I would like to take, I have already taken one file here. Yeah, this picture. This I copied from Wikipedia Commons. So what? First of all, we need to crop it. For that, I just use this rectangle and draw over this map where we can reduce these Arabic letters. Then select both. You can just drag like this. Both files will be selected. Then you can go to object. There is a one tool clip. A clip, you can click set. It is the tool for cropping. So now we crop it, and again if you want to crop, you can draw which are the countries to crop. So I need only this much, so I mark that. You select both, click object and set, clip set. After this, go to path. There is a one option, trace bitmap. We are going to trace the outline. So when we click the trace bitmap, there are many objects are there, many options also there. Brightness, cutoff, edge detection. So you can click edge detection. The color, if you need gray color, any color you can select. You can click update. Rub OK. Then you can see one outline already appeared here. See, it is appeared. Actually, this is the previous one. So we need to create another one. Object, set OK. Then path, trace bitmap. Edge detection. The previous pictures comes anyway, no problem. Here we have option again. These two maps I have taken up the outline. So here you can crop once again. After taking the bitmap, you can go like this, and once again you can crop it. This much only need. Then select once again both object and click and set. So we got very good clarity files. If you need, you can give a outline also for this. You can remove the color from here. Outline color, black color we can set. After we can fix this like this. There we go. After that we can save it. Select all, then click right button and in group. It will become a group. After that you can export it. For that you can click file. So I click the file name. So click file, and then export PNG file. Export PNG. This already appeared here. Here you can select the form of file. Here I am going to select the desktop. File name I am checking GCC outline. If you need to change it SVG because it can be utilized in various web-based software and all, so better to save SVG. Later you can edit by using Notepad well. File name GCC, but I am going to change it to again desktop. You can select file name gcc.svg. Okay, saved. You can open it. You can see on my PC. Okay, so this is an easy method to create outline map. After that we can upload these sort of things to wiki comments. That also we are going to do because it will be helpful for many people. For that I am going to close this now. Let's open the wiki comments.wikimedia.org. Yes, this is the website comments.wikimedia.org, where you can see upload. Yeah, we can select GCC SVG. If it is your own work, you can create this is on my work, or else this is not my own work. Or if it is not yours also, you can select the source where it is. So this is my own work. Then click next, where you can select outline map of. You can just copy it. Just give a description. Also you can give, if you want, you can change it to another language, Arabic or any language you can select. Then date, today's date, category, outline map. I click GCC tab, then again GCC. Gulf SVG map. Okay, click publish. So that's all. Now you can click this and you can see in a very big one. So